Hello there guys, welcome back. So many fans of the Sony are anxiously awaiting the long overdue replacement for the Xperia 5 Mark III called Xperia 5 Mark IV, which will allegedly receive some significant hardware upgrades. And how do we know about those changes? Well, a new FCC certification has shed some light upon a few technical specs of the Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and I have to say you will love some of the changes that it brings. Starting with the headphone jack, Sony will retain the 3.5mm headphone jack, an increasing rarity especially in high-end devices. The certification also hints that the Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV will feature wireless charging, which was missing from its prior version. Even cheaper competitors now offer at least some wireless charging option, so it was about time Sony incorporated this in its compact smartphone. How compact do you ask? Overall, it's 155.74 by 67.1 mm, which is slightly smaller than previous iteration. Also, the display is 153.5 mm, which translates to 6 inches, meaning it's 0.1 inch smaller than the Mark III. Additionally, the compact smartphone will support the Wi-Fi 6 standard and an RFID smart card system, which is mostly used in Japan. Other than that, we really don't know much, like the battery capacity, new features it brings to the table, the processor. Well, it could be Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 or simply Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, depending on the thought process of Sony. Maybe in couple of days we will know for sure. Until then, hit subscribe and like the video. By the way, the launch could happen at IFA Berlin, which is where the company previously revealed its Xperia smartphone. Anyways, whatever the case may be, the Xperia 5 Mark IV will definitely bring a whole host of improvements and features. With that said, thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.